Hello brothers, today I'm going to discuss the importance of deadlifts and why you must do them in 2025. Deadlifts, one of the most powerful and effective exercises for building strength, muscle mass, and overall athletic performance. But why are deadlifts so important? And how can they transform your physique? Stick around as we break down the science and benefits of deadlifts and how they help you build a stronger, more muscular body. Deadlifts are a compound movement, meaning they engage multiple major muscle groups at once. Every time you lift the bar, you're working your hamstrings, glutes, lower back, core, traps, and forearms. Basically, your entire posterior chain. This makes deadlifts a full-body powerhouse for building raw strength and muscle. Want to get stronger, bigger, and more powerful? Deadlifts are your best friend. Lifting heavy with progressive overload activates fast-twitch muscle fibers, leading to maximum muscle growth and strength development. Deadlifts also trigger the release of growth hormones and testosterone, essential for muscle building and fat loss. And the best part, they help you burn more calories, even when you're not working out. There isn't just one way to deadlift. Here are some powerful variations to target your muscles differently. Conventional deadlifts, the standard and most effective for full body strength. Sumo deadlifts, wider stance for better hip activation and less lower back stress. Romanian deadlifts, focuses on hamstring and glute isolation. Trap bar deadlifts, great for beginners and reduces lower back strain. Deficit deadlifts, increases range of motion and builds explosive power. Adding variety to your deadlift routine challenges your muscles, prevents plateaus, and helps avoid injuries. Deadlifts aren't just for powerlifters or bodybuilders. They're for everyone. Whether you're a beginner, an athlete, or just looking to build overall strength, adding deadlifts to your workout will improve posture, enhance grip strength, and prevent injuries. Master your form, lift smart, and stay consistent, and you'll see serious results. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fitness content. What's your favorite deadlift variation? Let me know in the comments. Now go hit the gym and start deadlifting.